Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Rahul Siddharam Chitale and I am performing a project based on Python program of Fibonacci series of numbers with my teammates Shubham Damane, Kiran Daund and Rohit Dokte.
Hi, my name is Rahul Chitale and today I am going to explain Fibonacci series. Here, a Fibonacci series starts with a value 0 and the next value 1. The each successor value is the sum of the two previous value. That means the third value will be the sum of second and first. Here, similarly, the fourth value of the Fibonacci series will be the sum of third and second. Similarly, it goes on. Variable a and b are used to show first two Fibonacci numbers, which are 0 and 1. The variable n is used to show how many numbers of Fibonacci series are generated. Here, by using an if statement, the value of n is compared, and if the value of n is less than or equal to 0, that means there is no value printed for this series. It will not possible. Then we used else statement, that the value of n is equal to 1. So the value of n is equal to 1. It only the first Fibonacci number to be printed, which is a. Else the value of n is greater than equal to 2. Then first two Fibonacci numbers a and b will be first print statement. Then the first value will be replaced by an variable a and the second value will be replaced by an variable b. And the n statement within the print indicates that after printing a particular string, the cursor don't goes to the next line. Then a for loop is used. Within the for loop, the index variable